Hi guys, today we are going to be installing a new recirculating valve in the Astra. So ever since having the Astra there's been a boost leak somewhere. We've narrowed it down to the recirculating valve. We've done a boost pressure test and everything was fine. All the new hoses, everything has been sealed nicely, but it's leaking out the recirculating valve, we think. So in this video we're actually going to change everything over and take the old one out, which looks like the original, and put a new forged one in. Always the worrying thing. Well, it's never ever been minus 25 psi before. It's always been 10. So straight away, that's a good sign. We're getting vacuum. Get it warmed up to temp, and we'll do a few pulls and just see what it feels like. Right then, for those that don't know, we've had to replace recirculating valve because there was a tear in it. This is test drive number 1. Yeah, but now, because it's got more power, you can see the things in the handling now. The handling is struggling with. Yeah. So now we need to do more. Because what people do, they'll just go and throw a lot of money on the power. They'll come to the first corner, then end up in the field, where there's, I think I've got enough power for the handling, so the handling needs to improve. The brakes are mint, a massive big AP 4-pot brakes, huge brakes, so they're fine. But the handling, I think all the bushes need it's an old car. It's 122,000 miles. It's had a hard life, and a lot of the stuff looks like it's been the original stuff all its life. So we're just going to go through everything and just titivate. Well, no, that's proper. Just make me happy, that is. Right then, cut the camera. Let's park up. Go home now.